so here are the TVs that we got for Black Friday. This is Walmart's brand. This is a 58-inch from my husband's man cave, and it is it was $198. And listen, don't ask. And then we have 3 50-inch TVs, which were $148 a piece. And let me show you what else that we got. This is a Black Friday haul, of course. We also got these hotel style towels for Black Friday, and these were at Walmart for $5. So this has 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths, and we probably got, I'd say, probably like 5 of these. Alongside those were these luxury hotel towels. They were $5 a piece, and we probably got maybe 8 of those. So we spent, I don't know what the math is I just gave y'all, but we got like $65 worth of towels and washcloths at Walmart. Also, we got these food containers. Don't ask why, but these are some meal prep food containers. They were $7. It's 60 pieces. 15 of them have single compartments, 15 have double compartments, and then there are 30 lids. So 16 pack of meal prep containers. So that is also something that we got. My husband also got like these knockoff AirPods that were like $15, and he's been loving them. So if he likes it, then I love it. So that is also something that we got. Also, we got this Shark Ion robot vacuum cleaner. Listen, I don't know why we got this. My husband really wanted it. It was $150 at Walmart, just screaming at us. So we also got that. And then I also got some other items that I want to show you guys. So from Home Depot, we got a refrigerator, and it is this one, if it is showing up. It's a Whirlpool. Interestingly enough, let me talk to you about this refrigerator. So it was something that I had been overlooking because it actually has a water maker and an ice maker, which I'll be honest, I've never had a fancy refrigerator, so I don't really know anything about refrigerators. But what I did know is that there are times that we need ice, or that I really am down to drink water, but I don't have bottled water because I don't drink out the tap. I mean, I have, but I normally have to like put some flavor in it and stuff. So I was like, you know, I don't want nothing fancy with, like super fancy with the refrigerator, but I really do think a water maker and an ice maker is something that I would want. Now, lo and behold, I had been overlooking this refrigerator because the ice maker and the water makers are in the freezer and refrigerator respectively, and they are actually internal and not external. So I have been overlooking them. So it was on sale for $10.98, down from $1,800 and something. It's Whirlpool, which is going to match our other appliances. It was actually a really good deal regarding like how big it is and everything. It fits in our little cubby. Like, it was actually a pretty good deal. And yes, Whirlpool is going to match the other appliances. It's stainless steel, which is what we prefer. And yeah, so that's the refrigerator that we got. It is scheduled to be delivered December 23rd. Of course, we're supposed to close on December 20th, but if the 23rd doesn't work, I will just call them, because they're not going to call me until the day before anyway, to schedule the delivery. And like I was telling you guys earlier or yesterday, technically they technically don't charge for delivery or installation. You just have to buy the parts, and the parts were $10. So $10.98 plus $10 plus taxes. Georgia taxes are like 8 cents per dollar, brought our grand total to $1,191.54. Now, the last thing that we bought for Black Friday was something from Kohls. So they were actually having a sale too on their towels and washcloths, and because I didn't feel like we had enough. So here's the thing, we've been wanting to upgrade our towels and washcloths for a long time, but it was just like, I mean, the apartment's raggedy, low-key. Okay, I can talk about this apartment now because I got a house. Most of the things here are raggedy, the towels are raggedy. Let's just keep living like raggedy, and then when we move into the new house, we can like buy, you know, upgrade our items that we need to upgrade anyway and have them match the aesthetic of the home. So I am going for a total black, white, and gray vibe with the house. So I was like, I'm gonna just do white and gray towels. So I didn't get enough yesterday, or on Thursday technically, of the white ones from Walmart or the gray ones, nor did I want, I didn't feel like I needed, like I felt like we had enough, but then when I got home and I counted how many we had, we really only had like 8 towels and like maybe 10 washcloths and hand towels a piece. And then I was thinking like, I'm supposed to have 8 people, and that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's supposed to be 8 of us when my siblings and their spouses and my nieces come down. So 8 towels aren't gonna, like, that's not gonna work if we're gonna throw out our other towels, which I don't know if that's where we're getting at or anything, but they'll kind of kill, like, they're different colors and stuff, so they'll kind of kill my white and gray vibe. But anyway, I was like, 8 really ain't enough. So I was scrolling other Black Friday ads from the comfort of my couch yesterday, and I saw that Kohls had a deal. So they had something called the Big 12, and so I read the reviews and everything. They seemed to be good. This was a 12-piece bath towel set, originally $8.99 down to $22.99. So I bought 2 of them. So for $45.98 total. Actually, that was the total. Then I had a discount for shipping and a additional discount of $6.90. So my grand total was $42.21, which made my savings $149.85. So for that price, which was technically better than the Walmart price, I think, I went ahead and purchased some more. But I've been able to feel the Walmart towels, and I know that they're good quality. I'm not too sure about Kohls. I ain't going down to Kohls to see, because Kohls is a long way from here. I mean, it's like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna have to trust that these are bomb. They're supposed to be delivered between the 5th and the 10th of December. And yeah, so now we have 8 more towels, which brings us to 16. And then we have 8 more hand towels and washcloths. I don't know how many of those we have all together. But yeah, that was our Black Friday haul. Everything added up together was about $2,400. So yeah, that is what we spent on Black Friday. But I'm super excited. We got a bunch of stuff that we wanted, a bunch of stuff that we needed, and I'm feeling really good going into December. The best part is that we were obviously able to pay cash, and I'm excited about that. So anyway, that is it for this vlog, you guys. I am ending it out here. I have no further vlogging that I can do regarding the house, because I have no updates right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end out this vlog, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.